Hi, this video how to fix the volume control because the new model that they have, the generation 2 for countercad Arcade1up, they tend to when you try to pull this up without unplug it from the back, it will, when you twist it, it still will, what happened was this thing actually pulled this volume control out. So when I press left and right, it doesn't do the volume control correctly. And so my sound was like skipping instead of going smoothly up. So I'm going to try to see, I'm going to take this apart and see how this is put together so I could fix my Pacman over here on the left. But this is, I already unplugged all this so that way I could turn this without pulling the, I was trying to turn it, see if I don't have to unplug it, but apparently it looked like I do have to unplug it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down back here so easy to work because there's a joystick. This joystick is hitting this, so it's still an issue. Able to I might have to take take this out so that way I could have it sit without okay. Yeah, to put a let me see if I could raise this up more higher. Okay, so you still have to put a flat screw in here, then you could get this arcade stick, the ball to come out. Okay, so let me see if I could put this down without issue. Okay, yeah, okay, so I could put it down because the speaker's over there and I can't put this ball down on without hitting it. So I want to put it straight flat like this, and I want to take this out to see how to fix my volume control. So this is on and off, and that's the speaker. So looking at this, this is the speaker that I need to fix. So this is the one I need to fix because the volume control wasn't moving correctly, and I think when I put it in not so if you have this problem where this thing pull out, this is just a push button, so there's really nothing really need to look at. But this is the one when I was moving the joystick, I accidentally, this thing came out. So I want to open this up and look inside. So let me show you from a higher view angle. Hi, this is Johnny. I'm trying to fix my voice control because when I flip this joystick, it pulled the back of this thing out, and when I put it back, I didn't put it back correctly because I don't know, I never seen how this was look. Nobody did a video about open this up. So I'm going to tear this apart and look inside and see how the spring is put in, because this is different than the push on and off button. This is has some kind of spring inside, so when you push the volume slowly, the block move up. But when I did that with my Pacman, when I was trying to look inside, it actually pulled this. So let me put my finger here. This is the volume control, and this is the one I need to look inside. This is the one that that when I put it back, I didn't put it back correctly. So I'm going to open this one that I bought, Galaga, that come with Galaga, what is it, Galaga 80? I think it's called Galaga 80, either 80 or 88, I forgot the name already. I know there's a Galaga 90. So I had to take this ball out because I can't flip it and lay on top of this. You have to put a flat screw right here, in order to screw this ball out. So that way when I flip it, it won't hit the speaker. So you want to take that out first. So I want to do is I don't really want to pull this. I just wanted to open this and take this panel out to see how this was put in, because the way this was, when I put it in, I didn't put it in correctly. So let me see if I could do this. So I want to like loosen it up. Tilt the, oops, sorry about that. Let me see if I could tilt this and zoom in closer so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm trying to get this pin to push up, but then I don't want it, I have to have something to hold against it so I could push this up. Okay, look like it's the pieces coming up. I'm gonna slowly move it because I don't want the spring to jump out like last time. Okay, so the spring is right in the middle. Saw that? And this is what it looked like. So this piece is the one that moved left and right. I mean from there. So based on this, the spring is in the middle and this is setting straight down. I hope I didn't damage I hope I didn't damage this one either. Okay. So let me try to push this back down. Okay, so let's flip it, make sure I didn't damage it, make sure that the volume control is still the same. Okay, the spring is still fine. So this is actually right in the middle where this handle is. So let me see if I could fix that on the other side. Alright, so I could put this this ball back. So I'm gonna hold the Okay, it's tight. All right, so I could put this back. All right, so I could tie all this back and that should be good. So we're gonna go and look at the other one. All right, so I'm gonna show you the value control real quick. That this one's working okay and the other one wasn't, and then we're gonna fix it. That way it makes sense to. So I'm gonna show you that the working process one, the one that we just opened to check how the value move the. So it's a Galaga 88. This is the new version, generation 2 that come with the Galaga 88. So if you want the sound to louder, you just press this and it automatic go up slowly. See that? So there's no issue with the sound moving up. Okay. Now let's go ahead and plug in the other one. And since we already know how to fix this one, we're gonna go ahead and unplug this. And then we're gonna check the other one. Okay, so this one have issue with the sound. So we're gonna go ahead and start the game. Just to show you what kind of problem I'm having. Is when I press the sound, I'm not touching it, it's moving by itself, see that? And when I turn it down, I only press it one time and it keep on moving by itself. So the spring is not correct, it's messed up. So I need to fix that. So we're gonna go ahead and unplug this. You take the screw out. This thing is so tight. Once you take the screw out, you still cannot turn it because the cable is very, very tight to the back. They didn't give you enough breathing room on the cable, so you cannot turn it without unplug it from the back. So you take both screw out using a Phillips screwdriver, and this is what it looks like when you take it out. There's one on both sides. So use a Phillips screwdriver, take that out. Then you take, then unplug the power, of course. And then you take those 4 screws out as well. All right. So I know the angle is tilting, looking down, because that's what we're going to work on. So we're going to go ahead and take this 4 screw out as well. If I could take it out without take the whole, yeah, I have to take the screw out. Okay, so those screws are out, and then you have to unplug the power first. And I already twisted so I could just pull it straight out. Okay, just lose one of my screws. So once you take that out, you have to unplug this. So let's go ahead and look at the bottom view. All right, so once you get the power out, you have to get the cable. So if you could see, there is, you don't have to open this up to get through this. Okay, so this one is, it have about 2, 4, 6 cable. So you just push down. There's 6 cable here. Green, black, green, blue, and yellow. Sorry, green, blue, and yellow. So push this little level down and pull. Okay, so this one have the most cable. This one only have, actually, you need to take that back. This one doesn't have a lot. This one have the most. Okay, this one is all the button. This is the joystick, and this is the button. Okay, so push down. That's the button for this one. Sorry, this is the button. This one have the 4K, 3 pair. This one have all the button. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair. Now this is only the speaker. There's only 2 wire. There's only 1 pair. So you push down and pull. This is a speaker. I mean, this is the oh, I think this is the on and off. I'm sorry, I'm getting confused which is which. I think this is a joy. Up, down, left. Alright. This is the speaker. This is the button, and this is either this is a joystick or this is off and on button. But anyway, let me go ahead and you press down and pull. Okay, so yeah, remember how the pattern go. You get this the most wide. It's kind of wide. This one is kind of wide, but this one have a whole bunch of cable. So this is in the middle. This is the one on the side, and the smallest one go here. So we're gonna take the tape out, peel the tape, so we could flip the joystick around. Then we could fix the speaker that I'm having problem. So if you're trying to flip it without unplugging it, you will have the same problem I'm having where the one of the plug got unplugged. Okay, so now I could flip this around, and then we could start looking at how to fix this. Alright, so I put a flat screwdriver so then I could loosen this up. So we could take the ball out. Okay, joystick ball. And then now we could put this right back here. So it's easy for us to work on. This is the speaker, need to go back down the bottom. Okay. So a while ago we wasn't sure what was what. So this one that was far to the right is actually the yellow, blue, and green. Yellow, blue, and green. Which set of yellow, blue, and green? Yeah, so this one, the very first one is actually, so yellow, green, and blue. This is for the button. Okay, this is for the button. Now this one is for this side and this side. So you got the yellow, black, and red. So you got yellow, and also have green. Okay, so this one is for the joystick, and this one is for the volume control and the on and off. So this one is the joystick, and this one is for the button. And the little one with the two, that one is for the speaker. Okay, so I need to open this up and fix the button. So that's the one we need to open up for fix the volume. So let's go ahead and zoom in. So I have to move this pin up by using this to hold it so it won't move, and then just push this up. You have to be careful not to break the Guess I'll go ahead and take it out and then fix the... Oh, see that? There's some extra piece of metal in the middle. I had no idea what that is. Oh, it came from here. So actually that piece actually broke off. That's why it wasn't moving correctly. See that? Now the spring is correctly in the middle. Okay, I was able to put the spring back in, which is good. Then I find out that that piece was in here. Turned out that it came off. Okay, and since this was put in incorrectly, that it's kind of bent up. So I need to figure out how to fix it. Make this how to fix it so I could see why here is all crooked to look like this side. So then I could clip this back, clip that piece back in here like this. See, I thought it was broken off, but this is the metal right here, small piece. So this big piece actually go on top of this. So when you move it, you could adjust the value of the speaker. So this piece go right on top of here. So see when you pull this out, it go right on top of that. So I need to fix the other piece to look like this one. So I could snap it on here, like so. So I need to put it back in that position and then able to close this back up. So let me try to fix it, and then I'll show you how I put it back, and then we will continue. So luckily I have something, plier that I could set this metal on, so I could push it down and then squeeze it close, so I could fix the shape of this metal, because it's very easy to bend. So I'm trying to get it to look more better than the last time when we look at it, when it first came out. So most of this Arcade1up it's a defected unit, and they could fix it, but I don't want to go through all that trouble calling them and wait, just to get this piece fixed. So I'm gonna try to fix it myself. But if you run into a problem where your speaker level is not working, you will have to open it up and try to find out what's the cause of it. And the problem I'm having was that this metal piece it came off, because it's just a snap on, and it came off, and then it was bent because it wasn't grab onto that metal piece. And when you push around, it gets smushed, and so this side is all smushed in, and so the level is not working correctly. And this is the one you use for iPhone or any kind of computer that you could push it open. So I used this, and happened that this side is too thin, this one is just the right thickness. So I just put that on top and try to straighten it out. So it's much better than before, but now I need to push the both end closer, so now I could like push it back in, because right now in the other side is kind of open up, so I need to squeeze the tip of it, so that way when I push it in, it will stay. So let me go ahead and do that off, so I could do it off the video recording, so I could do it. It's hard to do it while you are recording because see, right now it's open pretty wide, and I need to squeeze it in closer so that I could clip it on to that little board. Okay, this is the best I could do because it's really hard to bend this. So anyway, I think the main thing is the flat metal touching the spring. I mean, this one move around too, so, but it's easy to this thing come off. So I'm gonna have to put this in carefully so that it won't pop out. So the bottom part is the one at the bottom, the wire. So let me see if I could put this in without it coming off. You could tilt the board up. So, all right, let's try again. Let me go find the cable. All right, let's go ahead and put the cable back. This one is the, let me zoom in. Okay, this one is the thickest one, and this one is the wide one. So the wide one, okay, the wide one would be the first one to go in. So let's see if I could get this close and also show you. Okay, so this one will go based on looking at this. Okay, so the wide one, the single hole, this one go here. Okay, all right, and then the two speaker go next. That's the speaker one. The two go here, and this medium thick one with two layer, this one go next. And then this one have the 4 and 4 A pair. Okay, this one go last. Nope, I told you wrong. The one with the 4 pair is next. Okay, then this one with the 336 pair go here. Okay, so everything's plugged in. Now we need to plug the power and tape it back on so this thing won't move. So that way when you open up, you try to turn the take the joystick out, you won't accidentally pull it out. So that's the purpose of, I guess, to keep you from accidentally pull it by having the tape over there. Okay. All right, so let's plug the power and put everything back and see how everything go. So where's my cover? Go ahead and plug this in and put it over here on the tie web. You could put it underneath the tape if you desire. Okay, and then we're gonna put this thing back on, and then we're gonna test it. All right, look like the volume control is working. So when I press it, then it will turn. It won't keep on moving by itself. Last time I press it one time and it keep on go up by itself. This time I have to. So the volume control is fixed. I have to actually press it to go up to the max. It don't go by itself anymore like it did last time. So I have to press it to bring it down. It's not perfect, but at least I have, it doesn't move, keep on moving all the way down to the end by itself. I have the control to move it up. Now when you hold it, it doesn't do it. You just have to keep on like pressing it. Okay, so it is working. See? Oh, I accidentally got out. So yeah, you could hold it and it will automatically move by itself, but you might have to push down and then push over. So down, because it's not holding on to the metal as well like before. So I had to push it down and then push it over. So push it down and then I could hold it and then, you know, let go, it will stop. Before it wasn't stopping by itself because the spring was not in the right place and the metal thing that it was messed up. So now if I press down and then push over, it's working. Alright, so that's how you fix it. That's how I fix it, but I don't think, I guess you could put a glue on it so that metal will stay close. I didn't do it because I don't know, it's supposed to be loose. It's supposed to be like that because it's moving left and right. So if you put a glue on it, probably it's not a good idea. Probably just leave it like that. But it's working. At least it's working now. It just, you have to push down and then push down and push right for it to work. You know, so that metal will move to the left, to the right. All right, so that's my solution. That's how I fix it. Hopefully this helped you. You know, that's how I do it. So thank you for watching and talk to you later. Bye. Okay, this thing slides out very easily. So I'm going to try to see if I could hold it a little bit. It's kind of weird that it doesn't want to go down. Okay, so it went down. Alright. Okay, it finally went down, but the question is, with this moving stuff like that, would it be a problem? Alright, let's push this thing back on and then test it. So I'm going to means how to record and try to do this off the camera. Okay, put that side in. Alright, so let's see how it goes. Put this back on. Alright, I'm going to put all the screw back on. Let's go ahead and do the bottom, and then we're going to test it.